One of my favorite things to do with screenshots is to annotate them. So if I double click on a screenshot that I have, it will open up one of my favorite tools on a Mac, and that's Preview. You can do so many things with Preview. If you click on the little suitcase icon, it unlocks a whole menu of possibilities. One thing I like to do is draw attention to a part of the screen by highlighting it with a circle around it. So I can add a shape, I can change the color of the shape, whether or not it has a fill. I could add text if I wanted here, and move that around. And then if I go Command S, the shortcut for save, then that saves those features right into the screenshot, so people are really clear about what they are going to do. I hope that helps you with annotating screenshots.